YouTube, don't skip this video, watch it to the end. You will love it. Every single trader wants the trades to be like that, but unfortunately, it's not the case. You better watch this video to the end. Let's get it.
Welcome my lovely YouTube. So let's get straight into the video, guys. I'm planning today to take a trade and we will see if we're gonna manage to grab it. Yeah, it's very simple concept. We took this low. Let me just take this tool. We took this low, then we try to consolidate, then we took this high, and right now we managed to grab this low. Why I'm planning right now, because if you think this is perfect scenario, yeah, let's just do it this way. Broke this low, break a structure, yeah, pull back, break a structure. So right now most likely people will gonna start selling, shorting this EU. My plan is to take at least this high, because we got two targets. We got this high and this high. What I'm planning to do right now is, if the price action will gonna beautifully, because it will already start breaking up this high, if it's gonna get to this point, it's gonna be two highs breakdown. So I'm gonna take buys. And I'm gonna target this high first. So usually what I'm doing at a 1-to-1, something like that. So like that is gonna look my trade. We will see if the price action will eventually get to this point. If yes, then it's beautiful and we're gonna take the buys. The reason why is very simple. We do have here EMAs I like very much when EMAs are above, because the price action usually gets to those EMAs. So if the EMAs are above the price action, most likely the price action will come to my zone. But we will see, because that's where I'm expecting to be, but this is not 100% that is gonna happen. So the only thing why I'm waiting right now is just to the price action to develop itself and get into the position to get involved. So stay tuned for the futures update. And guys, we are officially in the trade. I'm gonna open it up, you will see, and as usual the price action just stops into my entry and pulls back right away which is funny, but that's how trading works. So we will see. My target is literally this high, so let me just put it like that. So we will see how the price action will develop. If it's gonna keep falling down, then it is what it is. It's just gonna be another L. But if it's gonna move up, then we're gonna make like 500 bucks. So stay tuned. Guys, that is just insane, man. I didn't even have time to to watch it. Just 5-minute candle and just literally hit my TP. So let's just see. We go $490. It's very beautiful, nice trade, and I do hope you enjoy this type of trades. It's nothing to talk that much about it. It's just a random trade, and I don't even know what to say. Like, it's not too crazy analysis. It's just been very perfect trade by book, and yeah, the target is hit, the trade is done, and we're moving to our next trade. So I don't know, guys, if you like those type of trading live videos, feel free to like, comment if you do have any questions, subscribe for sure, because I'm getting some couple of views but not that many. I really need like a little bit more. Hit that thumbs up so more people can see it. But for now, guys, I would like to tell you I'm glad that you watched this video. You see what means uncertainty in the market, and basically nobody knows where the market is gonna go, because by the book, by the book. Yeah, you can see low, high, low, so oops, something like that. It should be a pullback. That is by book, but unfortunately guys, we do have 90% of traders lose money. So if 90% of traders lose money, that means is something wrong in the market. It's not like how is wrote in the books. So I just tweak some nuances and all of that stuff, and I just got my strategy. This is basically the strategy that when I start implemented, yeah, I start winning more.
If you did like this video, guys, leave a thumbs up and see you on my next one. Peace and love. I'm out.